Hey guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I'll show you how to bypass, how to recovery or remove the password Z-Air mini laptop. Z-Air, see the model here. So this laptop have password, Windows password, email password. You can see here's the email, the password forget. So now I'll show you how to recovery this. So press the power button and shut down PC. Okay, and press power button and escape. You can see this system and go to the save and exit. Go down. You can see here Windows recovery. Press the Windows recovery and enter. Please wait. Okay guys, see, you can see this page and go down, troubleshoot. Okay, go to troubleshoot. Oh, this is bad. Okay, go to troubleshoot and go to the reset this PC. If you want to keep your files, just press up. If you want to remove everything, go to remove everything and press enter and wait. Okay, if you want to full clean in the drive, press the full clean, or you want to just remove my file, press just remove my file, enter.